Hi, good morning. I am Vivek and I am going to teach you today how to make a PowerPoint presentation with graphics, text and audio embedded in a PowerPoint slide. This will help you to design very impactful and effective presentations. So let me start with PowerPoint. So this is how you would have seen this familiar screen where you see the PowerPoint presentations. So let me make this empty slide. Now first of all what we do is we'll type anything which we want to make this presentation for. So for example I am taking it for blue macaw, parrot which is found in South America. So I'm just taking this as a title. You make it bold, make it center lined, make it larger and put this in center. Now we need something to come here as a graphic. So let me go to the graphic now, open the Google, we'll type blue macaw. So as you normally do it, you go on images. Here you see the beautiful blue color macaw. So is this looks beautiful or does this look beautiful? I like this one. So now let me copy this. I'll go back to PowerPoint presentation and here we're going to copy this. So here we get the blue macaw's picture. Now obviously what we would like to have some write-up, say what is blue macaw, what it is eat, how much it looks like, what is the weight, where it is. So all this information would be available. Best places Wikipedia. So I'll pick up this text from here, go back to the PowerPoint presentation and paste it here, and you can put this in order to make it better looking. So and you can give different colors, you can make it larger, readable, and this is how it will work. You can edit it a little bit more so it makes it a little impactful to your audience. Hyacinth macaw and blue macaw are two same names for the same breed. And so here, now this is the normal presentation which you make. Now to make it more impactful and more appealing, let's embed some sound in it. So this is how you go to insert, I go to audio file and audio from file. So I have downloaded a few sounds of birds, so I can pick up someone from my library. You can, before you record it or make a presentation, you can keep some sounds pre-downloaded in your folder, which you can just simply pick up and put in here. Now if it is here, it will be visible. So what you can do is you can simply put it in the outside the domain so it's not visible, and to make it more appealing, you don't need to you make it auto start. To make it auto start, what we will do is we will go in an animation pane, start animation, and where it shows the playing, what you do is you make it with previous so that it will not wait for your click. Now you have already done this animation. Now after we have embedded the audio and this is done, you can make it more colorful by choosing some background. In background you have option to some patterns you can pick up, whichever you feel like. Say I take this wire mesh one, you can put it into back, or you can pick up simply wavy look. You can choose this color, foreground, background color, so you can give your shapes and the back side so it will look little different. And I can make it more larger. And now let's go on play. This is how we make very catchy, impactful presentation. Like in this, I have shown the title, the picture, a little bit introduction, and also captivating music along with. You can always change the musical file as you want. Next session, I will tell you how to make animations or moving objects on PowerPoint presentations. So till then, stay tuned, press the like button below and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press bell notification icon so that you get the information as and when I upload new video. Stay tuned friends, goodbye.